transforming your application's visual output into a professional, print-ready PDF is now within easy reach using C# and powerful libraries. The first step is to design and populate the visual content you want to include in your PDF. This could be anything from a detailed report to an invoice or a simple information display for this demonstration. We'll focus on a predesigned panel within a Windows Forms application. Within your C# project, you'll need to add a specific library that specializes in PDF generation. We'll be using a very popular and capable option for this. This involves navigating to your project's NuGet package manager and searching for and installing the appropriate PDF library. Once the library is installed, we can begin the code implementation. The core idea is to create a new PDF document. This object will serve as the canvas for our PDF. Next, we need to visually capture the content of your designed panel. Think of this as taking a screenshot specifically of your panel's area on the form, but in a way that's understood by the PDF library. With the panel's content captured, we'll add this visual representation to our PDF document. This is where your panel's design starts to translate into PDF elements. To ensure the PDF is print-ready and properly formatted, we'll configure essential properties. This includes setting a suitable page size, orientation, like portrait or landscape, and margins to ensure everything fits correctly and looks professional. Finally, we save the generated PDF. This involves specifying a file path and name where you want to store your print-ready PDF document. This action finalizes the creation process, giving you a file that can be printed or shared. Finally, we save the generated PDF. This involves specifying a file path and name where you want to store your print-ready PDF document. This action finalizes the creation process, giving you a file that can be printed or shared.